done it.
Video. I
Oh, no, 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 no,
You've been stitched up, Bess.
Jeez.
That's actually ridiculous. Nice.
And they've even done the lazy eye as well. Bro, it's such a coincidence. We're talking about like fucking Ethan's dad, fucking Simon's mum, and Josh's mum popped up on the screen.
Have you seen people in London, you know, running down with fuck off machetes and katanas?
Yeah, 10 bad guys.
100-year-old like Japanese sword, like probably.
To be fair though.
To be fair though, what?
To be fair though, what?
Vic?
Did I? I thought it was Harry that said that.
I don't think I said that.
Vic